If you want to see how I created this Ice Queen makeup, then stay tuned. So firstly I painted my whole face and chest area with a white face paint. I then sponged on this turquoise and pink cream makeup. Using a fine brush and this dark blue cream makeup, I painted veins all over my face and body. I then went into this dark grey eyeshadow and I contoured my cheeks, nose, and also applied this around the eye area. Using a mascara spoolie and some white face paint, I painted in my eyebrows white. Using skin safe glue, I attached pearls and clear and blue gems to above my eyebrows. I then mixed some iridescent blue glitter with this 3rd degree, which is a silicone modelling compound, and I attached that dripping from my nose under my eyes from my chin to look like icicles, and then I also went into this special snow cream stuff and applied that around the eyebrows and cheeks as well. Lime Crime's Raven liquid lipstick, I applied that to my lips, and then using an eyeshadow brush I smudged around the edges and also made some like creepy lines coming out of the mouth as well. And this is the finished look. I also applied some contact lenses and I coloured my eyelashes in white as well. Hope you like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!